how to update Fortnite on the Epic Games launcher. So what we want to do is open up our computer search for Epic Games launcher here, and just open up the application. And once Epic Games has been loaded, like so, what we want to do, if we don't see Fortnite here from the quick launch section, is just go to library, find Fortnite, and if there's an update, it will say update right here. I've already clicked on it, that's why it says resume. So if we try to play Fortnite here, it will basically require us to update, and it will begin updating it before it lets us play. So this will show you the percentage completed when it comes to the update, and once this is done, you'll be able to see a launch button here like I have for Fall Guys, and you will be able to play Fortnite on Epic Games. So that's how you do it, that's how you update Fortnite on Epic Games launcher. Leave a like and sub if this helped you out, and I'll see you next time.